For close round 45, except of last 5 chain space, we make 2 chain and a double crochet top of first single crochet, round 45, finish. Round 46, chain 1, a single crochet into 5 chain space and another single crochet, a front post double crochet around the first front post double crochet here, two front post double crochet around next front post, 1 and 2, a single crochet into chain 1 space, chain 1, a single crochet into next and chain 1, a single crochet into next chain 1 space and 2 front post double crochet around this front post, 1 and 2, a front post double crochet around the next front post, and here into 5 chain space we make 3 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3, a front post double crochet around the next, 2 front post double crochet around next, and we continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here. For close round 46, make the last single crochet and slip stitch top of first single crochet, round 46, finish. Round 47, chain 1, a single crochet in the same place, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3 and a picot. Now 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, a front post double crochet around the first front post double crochet, a front post double crochet around next, a front post double crochet around next, a single crochet into chain 1 space, chain 1, a single crochet into next chain 1 space and front post double crochet around first front post double crochet, a front post double crochet around next, a front post double crochet around next. Now 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, for close round 47, except of last 3 chain, we make a double crochet top of first single crochet, round 48, 12 chain, count as first double crochet and 9 chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. a double crochet into next 3 chain space. Here in the center we make a double crochet like this. Now a front post double crochet around the first double crochet, two front post double crochet cluster around the second and third front post, 1 and 2, a single crochet into chain 1 space, and 2 front post double crochet cluster around this front post and next front post, 1 and 2, and a cluster, a front post double crochet around next front post, a double crochet into 3 chain space. Here in the center we make a double crochet, 9 chain, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and a double crochet into next 3 chain space. In the center we make a double crochet here, a front post double crochet around the next, and like this we continue this pattern until we finish this round. And I come back here, for close round 48, make a slip stitch top of first 3 chain, 1 2 3 here, and a slip stitch round 48, finish.